Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify PalmPay account. First of all, access your PalmPay app. Open the PalmPay app on your smartphone device. Then navigate to Profile or Settings. Locate the Profile or Settings section within the app. Now access KYC verification section. Find the KYC or verification section. Now, follow the instructions to input your NIN and BVN details seamlessly. Complete additional KYC steps, provide any supplementary documents or information as prompted to complete the KYC process. Finally, submit for verification. Once all details are entered, submit the information for verification. And that's it. Thanks for watching.